Have you heard of flashing LED relaxation glasses? They look a bit unusual, but they can help you relax and sleep better. These special glasses have lights that gently flash on and off. Don't worry, the lights are safe and comfortable to look at. They are easy to use. Just put on the glasses and let the lights do their work. You don't need any special training or experience. It's like giving your brain a soothing massage with light. Our brains produce different patterns of electrical activity called brainwaves. These brainwaves change depending on what we are doing. When we are awake and alert, our brains produce fast beta waves. When we relax or meditate, our brains produce slower alpha waves. And when we are asleep, our brains produce even slower delta waves. The flashing lights in these glasses can gently guide your brain waves. By changing how fast the lights blink, they can encourage your brain to produce more alpha or delta waves. This helps you relax deeply or fall asleep more easily. Feeling stressed? The gentle light pulses can help calm your mind. The glasses can be your secret weapon against daily stress. They can also help if you have trouble sleeping. The glasses can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. You can use them while you relax on the couch or prepare for bed. Many people find that using these glasses helps them feel better overall. Some people even experience relief from headaches. Using light for relaxation has been around for over 30 years. It's a natural way to support your well-being. Plus, you don't need to rely on medication or learn complicated meditation techniques. If you want to learn how to make your own LED relaxation glasses, visit my channel for step-by-step instructions.